Alright guys, today I'm back with another unboxing. We have Inazuma 11 Risk Kickoff. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Anyway, I have no idea what this series is about, but I'm guessing soccer. Oh, just big old hunch. Anyway, front, spine, another spine. Oh. Is this region 1? And anyway, this right here is the episodes. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5. Here, you can read that if you want. Sorry about the lighting. Well, damn. There we go. Alright. Woo! There we go. Basically the same. Oh yeah, this is by Encircle. Sorry about that. By the way, I don't know if I'll keep doing this or not. This is just random. If I upload any more, then woohoo. If not, then boo. But yeah, this is just random. I just thought I'd give this a try again. There's the disc. Ain't no back, but I might upload One Piece Stampede when it comes out. But as of right now, I don't know yet. But anyway, guys. There's that. And there's that. Thanks for watching. Peace.